If you've ever wanted to carry your camera in a cute, discreet way that doesn't ruin your outfit, you'll want to watch this. Hello and welcome to the Queendom. I'm Sarah Engel, and today we're gonna be doing a little unboxing as well as kind of a review of some of the fancy, cute camera bags I have that look like purses. So that if you've ever wanted to carry your camera around with you and you feel like, oh my goodness, this camera bag is an eyesore or I've gotta haul it around, there are actual camera bags that look just like purses that provide the protection you need for your camera and still make your outfit look awesome. So, from the great beyond, the great big giant box. Hello. So this, I think, is a gift from my mom for my birthday. My birthday was a couple days ago. All right, so let's snip this open. Weird FedEx. Okay. Oh, this is cute. You can't see it yet. I'll take it out of the box and then we can show you a little bit more easily. And we reveal the pinkest, cutest camera bag there ever was. Box. The dust bag. That is as large as the whole entire screen. All right, let's open this thing. This is from Graffia, England. So we can see what we're getting. You can see how this differ greatly from the typical camera bag. They're black and bulky and made of like the weirdest materials. But for whatever reason, it's like they purposely make camera bags as ugly as possible and as obviously a camera bag as possible. It's like they want everybody to know, hello, I have a camera in this bag. Make me a prime target for thievery. Instead, I'm like, oh, here's a cute pink purse. It could have anything inside. It could be a diaper bag. We don't know. And your camera, meanwhile, is safe and secure inside the cute pink bag. This is my first time seeing this in person. I haven't even really seen it that much online. It's been sitting in my wish list for a long time and my mom finally got it for me. I love that it has a really big, long strap that also is adjustable in length. It's like a belt. If this was just on your shoulder, it would dig into it and that would hurt. But this right here, this will spread out like where it pulls down on you and it'll feel a lot better. Let's see where all the pockets are in this. Oh, this is nice too. Okay, so these are removable. Got a good handle, nice and secure. So outside pockets, let's check out this one first. Ooh, so this is one thing I don't know like how crazy I am about this. It's like a total like unbuckle situation, but it goes down there pretty deep. All right, so this little camera right here, I'm curious to see if this will fit in here. Because I don't think it will. Oh, it does fit. The great beyond had to help, it fits. You just need to open the pocket far enough. It's new and it's not stretched enough yet, so there we go. GoPro's even on its little thing. Let's see. We're testing to see what sizes of cameras fit in this little outside pocket. I just need to pull it open further. I swear, I think this side's bigger.
It does fit.
It fits. The GoPro on the little thing. Obviously the GoPro by itself would fit. You could put 2 GoPros in here because I have another one, but they're on little thingies right now. Maybe if you did want to put batteries in here, you just not latch it all the way most of the time. That might work. You could also modify this with a magnet. Let's continue. I'm liking this, especially like if you're going to something where there's a pass like VidCon or D23 and you want to take it off, you could slide it in here. And there's also this little guy here. Maybe like your emergency 20 and your ID or whatever could go in here. All right, oh, it still smells so good. This front has a buckle on it too, but it seems easier to manage, I think, when it's bigger. I don't know, maybe it's just me. Maybe, ow! Maybe not. Oh, look at this. Oh, hey, look. Oh, this is handy. That's smart. Let's see. Oh, yes. So this is where it starts to look like what you think of as a camera bag. You see the inside, it has the padding in here. So if you want to like put a lens in here, you put your big bigger camera down in here, maybe another lens over here, or a drone. This would be great for drones too. And then you can just slide it back down in. I like that it is removable, so it gives you options and it gives extra padding around the outside. This is nice. I'm happy with this. I can't wait to use it. Oh, did we look at the front little pouch yet? No. This seems like a place I would put batteries. It's just big. And sometimes I have big batteries. This camera I might stick in the front here. Yeah, that's a great place for it. It's got plenty of room. All right, so now that I've kind of shown you guys this, I want to show you a few other of my cute camera bags because I am acquiring quite the collection. Because almost everywhere I go, I bring cameras with me. All right, so this right here is called the It bag, and it is my favorite camera bag. It's so cute. It does not look like a camera bag at all. The one part about this that makes me sad is that the handle it didn't hold up well. I actually got this used, because they didn't sell this one anymore, I don't think. I think they still sell one that's studded, that's really pretty. I really kind of want that one too, but it's got that pretty quilted thing. Oh, look in here. Disneyland parking passes. You can tell where I take this. I use this frequently. You'd look at this and you think, oh, it's a cute purse. You don't think camera bag. It's got really nice, like the inside of this is so soft, and these are really thick padded pads. There's the little pockets on the outside. I've thrown camera batteries a lot of times up here because they're really easy to access, and it's a zipper. This whole thing down here is removable as well, but it's not like a big zip out thing like the other one. The other one felt a little bit more like there's a camera bag hiding inside of a purse. This one feels like the whole bag actually is the camera bag, if that makes sense. And what's nice too is these you can take out. And you can take them out if you need to to put something long in here. Sorry, I need to pull some of this out. And you can move it wherever you want inside the bag. So you can change the size of your compartments. Like my drone would fit in here nicely. I know I've put my drone in here before. And look, they really went over the top to make this feel like fashiony, not like a camera bag with a little tassel here. I love this bag, obviously. Hashtag not sponsored. Okay, so I guess the brand is the It. It's not like the It bag. It's the It bag, because this one looks like it's the It bag too. This is another pink one. It's honestly more coral though than pink. It's got another one of these little tassels. That must be like the It thing. Another great place, like right here. Oh, what do I have back here? What do I have back here? Whoa. We'll find out. Ah! It was bridal shower bingo from Amber Ardent's bridal shower. Again, I love the quilted. It looks so nice. This one's held together, at least so far, a lot better. I think it doesn't seem to have that same material that was peeling off like the other one did. And these guys, see, this is what I thought it was gonna be like. When we talked about DIYing, making it magnetic, these are actually those little snaps that are magnetized. All right, then this guy here, you just pinch it to open it. See, even the top of this one, it still feels so purse-like until you look inside and you're like, oh, hey, look at that. Again, it has those removable pads so you can make it fit whatever size camera you want to put in there. I love this one too. But I'm glad I've got a new addition to my camera bag collection that is a pink color that I feel like goes with more the pinks in my wardrobe anyway. One last thing I'm gonna show you guys that you may have seen in some of my vlogs on my back is this backpack. This is a camera backpack. So it has inside of it, you can see actual little pockets and things, and it has padded stuff down here, padded stuff back here. More pockets up in here. Waterproof pouch that you can put over the backpack. And then the bottom part, you slide it out, and I fit my drone in here. I've put cameras in here, lenses, and again, it has these little movable pads, and you can just slide it back in and zip it on up. What's also really handy about this particular backpack is it has a slot to put your laptop, and that was critical for me. Another like secret pocket I want to show you guys before I put it away is this little back pocket for like ID cards and things if you want to slide them in here, and it looks super secret. They really designed this well. This just came from Amazon. It was super cheap. There's really expensive ones. This was the cheapest bag. I'll link to it in the description. I'll link to all of them in the description as long as they're still available. But this one, it's so cheap and so handy. You just throw it on your back and go. Awesome. Anyways, let me know in the comments below which of these camera bags is your favorite, and if you could have a camera bag in any color, which camera bag color would you choose? Remember to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and ring the little bell if you actually want to be notified when they come out, because otherwise YouTube probably won't tell you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Graffia, is that how you say it? Graffia, Graffia. It looks like it says Graffia. Where'd I go? There I am. Make me a prime target for Target. I have made a mess on the table. This still smells really nice.